In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your Google Calendar settings and find the access permissions for your events. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go ahead and open Google Calendar. Wait for the calendar page to fully load so you can clearly see the left-hand panel where your calendars are listed. This is important because the option we need is attached to the specific calendar you want to manage. When you're inside Google Calendar, look over to the left side of the screen and find the name of your calendar in the calendar list. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have multiple calendars for different purposes like work, personal scheduling, or shared projects. Next, move your mouse over the name of that calendar. As you hover over it, a small menu icon with 3 dots should appear next to the calendar name. Click those 3 dots to open the calendar options menu. This menu gives you access to several settings related to that calendar, and it's the quickest way to manage sharing and visibility options. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Sharing. After you click it, Google Calendar will open the settings page for that specific calendar. You should now be on a screen where you can review and adjust details connected to that calendar, including how it can be shared and who can view its events. Once you're on the Settings and Sharing page, scroll down carefully until you find the section labeled Access Permissions for Events. This section controls the general visibility of the calendar and is where you can review how event information is shared. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling slowly, since the settings page includes several sections and it can be easy to pass it. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to the access permissions for events area in Google Calendar. If you're following along for a larger setup or privacy adjustment, this is the section you'll need to reach before making any visibility changes. As a quick tip, always double check which calendar you're editing before changing any settings, especially if you manage more than one. That way you can avoid updating the wrong calendar by mistake.